but also be more independent in the marriage. Not in a disrespectful way, but also knowing that Zandra is an individual. My husband is an individual, and together we come and we complement each other. So it means that I have my own purpose, he has his own purpose, and together we make each other better. But not in a way where, how I was doing it is that my husband is everything and I'm under him, and it's just like that. And I realized it's nice. It was comfortable. But when this happened, when death happened, I realized, oh, you know, what now?
Now you must carry everything now.
So I think as women as well, we need to also stand up, you know, and do certain things on our own. And at the same time, respect your husband. You get what I'm saying? But there's a lot, like I say, when it comes to funeral policies, like we spoke about. When it comes to business as well, I think I would do it differently, as in do it on my own and have him do his own.